only 2 examples is sufficient to clear your BODMAS rule. So I'll explain only 2 examples by which one you can clear your full BODMAS rule concept. So let me explain. Listen one point. Don't skip the video because this video is and every point is important. So let us take an example. See here I wrote one example. 2 into 2 plus 2 divide 2 into 2 minus 2 plus 2. Now we need to find the value. That means we need to apply BODMAS rule. So at first BODMAS rule full meaning. See BODMAS, BODMAS, BODMAS. See before bracket, bracket of. Okay, but there is no bracket. So next word is D for division, M for multiplication, and A for addition, and S for subtraction. Okay, see before bracket of, but there is no bracket. So let's proceed to this one. D for, at first we will do division. Next M for multiplication. Next we will do multiplication. Next addition. Next calculation is addition. And at last, that is fourth number condition is subtraction. Okay. So at first division. See, observe only division. See, there only this one is the division part. This one or not. So directly write 2 into 2. No sense. Don't calculate in this part. Okay. 2 into 2 plus 2 divided by 2. We know 2 divided by 2 value 1. Don't change the other values. Okay. Directly plot 2 plus 2. See here I did only one part. 2 divided by 2, that means 1. Okay. That means division over. Next multiplication. See multiplication. Okay. So I'll calculate in this part. Why? Here multiplication or not. So calculate this one part. 2 into 2 answer 4 plus 1 into 2 answer 2. Next don't change these values. Okay, same value, plot the same values, don't calculate here. Minus 2 plus 2. Okay, now see multiplication over. Next addition, means all positive terms right together. See 4 front symbol is plus, so 4 is a positive term. 2 front symbol is positive, so 2 is a positive term. But these two negative or not, so write at last. So plus 2 write together, and minus 2 negative number, so keep aside. Next 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, minus this 2, so 8 minus 2. See at last after addition, this one is, see addition or not? Addition done. Next subtraction, 8 minus 2 6. Okay, we got this question answered as 6 according to BODMAS rule concept. Okay, see without using bracket means there is no bracket. Without bracket we can solve like this. Now next example I'll apply the all bracket rules. Okay, so proceed to next example. The example number 2 is see 6 plus this one big bracket or square bracket. Next curly bracket or middle bracket, round bracket or small bracket, and bar. All types of brackets are available in this example, but question is how to apply these symbols. Okay, see BODMAS, BODMAS, BODMAS. Okay, BODMAS, B full meaning is bracket, but 3 types of brackets. First one is, this one is called round bracket or small bracket, and the second one is curly bracket or middle bracket, and this one is called big bracket or square bracket. Okay, but for the BODMAS rule, at first we need to apply bar symbol. Bar, see this one is bar symbol is here. It is available in this example. Okay, so at first see first bar, next small bracket, next calculation between the, means inside the curly bracket, next between big bracket, and next division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. These are operations. Okay, now see in this example, see here this one is the bar. Okay, so at first calculation here in bar. Okay, so write 6 plus this one is 15 divided by 5. Next curly bracket 4 plus 6 plus 2 answer is 8. This one is small bracket into next number is 2. Okay, see 6 plus 2 we got single number, so bracket out. Next within that, see first one over next small bracket, this one here, calculation here, then this one is 6 plus 15 divided by 5 minus 4 plus 8 to the 16, 8 to the 16, okay. See, small bracket done. Next, between the curly bracket, then see 6 plus 15 divided by 5 minus 4 plus 16, 20, single number, so bracket over, okay, curly bracket done. Next, big bracket. See, inside the big bracket, but inside the big bracket, divide minus, two symbols are available. So which one first? See, division first, next multiplication, next addition, next subtraction. So at first division. So 6 plus 15 divided by 5 means 3 minus 20. Okay. So 6 next plus 3 minus 20, answer minus 17. Minus 17. Then 6 minus 17, answer is minus 11. Okay. See, we got the answer is minus 11 according to BODMAS rule. Clear point? Okay. Then this much for today. Thank you.